Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power down the Bose, remove both ear cups, and place small parts in a labeled tray so nothing gets lost. Use a T5 screwdriver to remove the 4 visible screws. Keep washers separated. Once the housing is loose, gently pry the plastic cover. There's a ribbon cable under the left cup. Disconnect it by lifting the latch. Do not tug. This exposes the headband mounting points. Make sure your workspace is lit and steady to avoid stripping screws or damaging ribbons. Now you remove the old headband, unscrew the pivot bolts and note how each side aligns because reassembly depends on orientation. Once free, compare the replacement to the original, transfer foam pads, plastic clips, and any metal reinforcements to match fit and comfort. Route the internal wiring through the headband channel as the original did and secure loose cables with thin tape. This prevents pinching later. Take your time here. Correct routing avoids audio dropouts and stress on connectors when you snap the cups back on. Finish by reattaching the headband pivots and snugging the bolts. Avoid over-tightening plastic threads which can strip. Reconnect the ribbon cable, close the housing, and replace the ear cup screws in their original order. Make sure housing edges align without gaps. Power on and run an audio and control test, checking Bluetooth, buttons, and mic. If you hear static or one side is dead, power down, reopen the cup, and carefully reseat the ribbon cable. Verify screw tension and cable routing before closing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.